How much should you actually spend on LED ceiling lights? Some folks are happy with the cheap options, while others keep returning the pricey ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Polarper Garage Lights. First up, we have the Polarper Garage Lights. Right off the bat, I was impressed by how bright these lights are. At $35.99, they're not just affordable, but also come highly rated with 4.4 stars from about 2,800 reviews. If you want to transform a dark garage into a well-lit workspace, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These lights deliver a whopping 32,000 lumens thanks to their 6 adjustable panels. This means no more dark corners in your garage or workshop. The 6,500K daylight color temperature mimics natural light, making it easier to see what you're doing. Plus, with an energy-efficient design, you'll save up to 85% on your electricity bill compared to traditional lights. With over 5,000 units sold last month, it seems like many are making the switch. Now, some people complained about the lack of dimming options. Here's the thing though, if you're using these in a garage or workshop, you likely need maximum brightness, so it's not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you have a garage, workshop, or attic that needs serious illumination. Skip this one if you're looking for something fancy for a living room. At this price, it's a steal for what you get. Now, if that lack of dimming bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, high-quality flat panel light. Next, we have the high-quality 12-inch LED round flat panel light. At just $15.99, this one caught my eye for its sleek design and flexibility. With a 4.6-star rating from around 2,700 reviews, it's a solid choice for various rooms. If you want customizable lighting, this is worth a serious look. What stands out here is the 3CCT selectable color temperature feature. You can easily switch between 3000K, 4000K, and 5000K, depending on your mood or activity. This means you can have warm light for a cozy dinner or bright daylight for reading. The 2160 lumens it offers are more than enough for most spaces. Plus, it's designed to reduce eye strain with flicker-free illumination, which is a big plus for home offices or living areas. Now, some buyers mentioned that installation can be tricky if you're not handy. But honestly, if you're comfortable with basic wiring, you'll find a breeze. If you really don't want to mess with any installation, though, this might not be for you. This is perfect for you if you want a modern look with lighting options for every occasion. Skip this one if you're not up for some DIY. For the price, it's a fantastic investment in your home. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for flexible lighting needs. Product number 3, Amico recessed lighting. Now let's talk about the Amico 12-pack 4-inch LED recessed lighting. Priced at $54.97. You're getting a lot of bang for your buck with this 12-pack option, especially since it has a rating of 4.7 stars from over 8,200 reviews. If you want a clean look with adjustable settings, this is worth a serious look. The standout feature here is the 5CCT in 1 capability. This means you can choose from 5 different color temperatures, from a warm 2,700K to a bright 5,000K, depending on what kind of atmosphere you want to create. Plus, they are IC rated for safety, which means you can install them directly in contact with insulation. They also use just 11 watts per fixture while putting out 800 lumens, saving you up to 90% on energy costs. However, some users mentioned issues with the clips that hold the lights in place during installation. I'll be real with you. If you're looking for an easy install without any fuss, this might not be the best choice. But if you're willing to work with it, the results can be stunning. This is perfect for you if you're doing a renovation or want a sleek look with multiple lighting options. Skip this one if you're not ready for a bit of elbow grease. For the long-term savings alone, it's worth considering. Now, if that installation issue is a concern, the next product offers a different approach. Product number 4, BrightEver Flush Mount Light. Let's move on to the BrightEver 12-inch LED Flush Mount Ceiling Light. At $35.99, it's highly rated with 4.6 stars from over 1,000 reviews. If you want a super slim design with dimming capabilities, this is worth a serious look. This light stands out because of its unprecedented ultra-thin design at just 0.67 inches thick. This allows it to fit seamlessly in low-clearance ceilings without sacrificing style. Plus, it offers 5 color temperatures and stepless dimming control, which means you can adjust the brightness from 5% to 100%. This is especially useful for creating the perfect mood in your home. The downside? Some users found the setup a bit complicated, especially with the dimming compatibility. But honestly, if you're familiar with basic electrical setups, it should be pretty straightforward. If you're not into techie lighting options, though, this may be frustrating. This is perfect for you if you want a sleek, modern look with customizable brightness. Skip this one if you prefer simpler, fixed lighting. Given the versatility, it's a smart buy. Now, if that complexity seems daunting, the last product on our list is all about simplicity. Product number 5, Slochi Flush Mount Light. Finally, we have the Slochi Flush Mount Ceiling Light. At just $11.99, this one is a favorite for budget-conscious shoppers, boasting a 4.7-star rating from 1,000 reviews. If you want something affordable yet functional, this is worth a serious look. This fixture is ultra-thin at only 0.94 inches thick, making it ideal for low ceilings. With 3 color temperature options, 3000K, 4000K, and 6500K, it gives you flexibility without breaking the bank. It also outputs 1600 lumens, which is comparable to a traditional 100W bulb, saving you on electricity costs. However, some reviews pointed out that the build quality feels a bit cheap. Here's the thing, though. At this price point, you're not going to find perfection. For anyone looking for decent lighting on a budget, it's still a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you need an economical solution for any room. Skip this one if you want something that feels high-end. For $11.99, you really can't complain about the value. To wrap it up, we've covered some fantastic options. The Polarper garage lights for heavy-duty use, the high-quality flat panel for flexible room settings, the Amico recessed lighting for style and efficiency, the BrightEver flush mount for modern aesthetics, and finally, the budget-friendly Slochi lights. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so it all comes down to your specific needs and budget. Happy lighting!